Hi friends. Today we will learn about where different animals live, so let's start.
Kids, just like us, animals too need a home to live in. Now let's learn about the homes of different animals. Different animals live in different types of homes. All animals need a home to keep themselves safe from heat, cold, rain, and enemies. Some animals make their own homes. Honeybees. Honeybees make hives and live in their hives. These are called beehives. Spider. A spider spins its web. It makes its web with the help of a sticky material produced by its own body. Different types of spiders spins different webs. Birds. Birds make different types of nests. They use their nests to lay eggs and to bring up their baby birds. Rabbits dig burrows in the ground to live in it. It saves them from enemies and bad weather. Some animals live in natural homes. Lions. Lions live in a forest. Monkeys, squirrels, koalas live on trees. Giraffe, deer, chimpanzee, wolf, jackal, hippopotamus, rhinoceros live in forests and grasslands. Jellyfish, starfish, whale, dolphin, sharks, and many more lives in water.
Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. And if you want to see more fun videos, you can hit that subscribe button. You can also follow us on Facebook and Instagram for more content. Bye-bye!